Hi everyone, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and together we're going to make the Boo Halloween Glam earrings. And this is a really fun and easy project for Halloween, and I think that these are really sweet little ghosty charms. So let me show you the finished design. So this is one earring already done. It's got that really fun little ghost that has Boo scrolled across him. And then there are two prestige crystal links that we've made, and they are hanging from a really dramatic nun design earring hook. So really playing off the glam and the drama with these guys, and then going down into a very fun Halloween charm. And we're going with the black and white and silver theme, which helps to add to the glamour as well. Tools are going to be pretty simple. You're going to either use wire looping pliers or round nose, whichever you have, chain nose, and these are the chain nose, and then your cutters. So your three basic standard jewelry making tools. And what we're going to be using for our links are some eye pins. So we've got the charm, the two crystals, a round and a bicone, the earring hook, and then two of your eye pins. That's all you need to make these earrings. Let's clear away this one now so it's not in our vision, so we actually can just focus on what we're working on. So here's our charm. We're going to set him aside for right now as well. And we are going to grab our wire looping pliers. And we're going to start with our round bead. So you see it's got that really pretty jet. It's got the sparkles all faceted. It's jet black. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to place it onto the eye pin. And then we are just going to go here and make a matching little loop. Okay, so we're just right where we exit the bead. We're gonna squeeze. The pliers do part of the work for us, which is always nice. Rotate them up and crisscross. So we've made a little loop. Now we just have to trim it. So we put our cutters right in there and we trim. And then you're going to go in with your chain nose, and then you're just going to straighten it up so it's nice and secure. So there's one little link already done. We're going to do the exact same thing with the bicone. So just go ahead and put it on there. And then what we're going to do is make another little loop. Squeeze, pull down, rotate, and crisscross. So we've got that little loop on there now. Okay, and go in there, trim, and just straighten up as well. All right, so let's go ahead and connect these together and make sure it hangs right. And if there's any problem with how it hangs, we'll adjust. Okay, so to open up the little loop at the base, you're just going to go in there with your pliers and twist it open. Put on your little charm. And then you're going to go back and twist it shut so that the charm doesn't fall off and he is nice and secure. Now we're going to go ahead and open up this little loop. Same way, and now hang on this. All right, and now we want to make sure our little ghosty faces forward. So I'm holding it the same way it would be when I hold the earring, when I put on the earring hook. So he is going like this. So he's a little bit off center. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and grab a second pair of chain nose pliers. It's always good to have that handy. And I'm just going to take it and I'm holding one loop for each and I'm going to twist it forward. So I'm going to twist this one to the side so my little ghosty is facing forward. Okay, so if you could see it at this angle, it might be a little bit easier. So I'm holding one in each, I'm just twisting. Now my ghost is facing forward. So all I have to do now is open up the earring hook. So the earring hook opening is right here. You got that little loop and you're gonna open it the same way that you've been opening your, I wanna make sure this guy is gonna face forward. Okay, so before you close it, make sure you put him on the right way. Okay, so I just put it on there and shut. And we have our little earring, and I love these little guys. I definitely gonna wear these for Halloween and during the Halloween season because they add just that little extra something by having such a nice dramatic earring hook and having the crystals. It really makes the, a pretty simple charm earring into something a little bit more elegant and a little bit more dramatic. So I'm calling these the Boo Halloween Glam earrings, and you can find all the supplies for this project, as well as other Halloween charms, other findings, and other crystals over at beadaholique.com. Thanks, everyone.